What the fuck is up, you dogs? We've got Unwise here, and we're gonna give a fucking little rundown. All right? Come here. Sunroof. Chrome Simmons. Oh. 2.5-inch exhaust. Factory interior. It's got a built diff, built tail shaft, and built fucking box. Haltech keypad. Oh. Look at the coil cover. Gucci.
So dusty.
I probably should have given it a wipe. We don't care though.
We don't care.
Chrome plated inlet manifold. Linked ECU. And a polished intercooler. With custom piping. If you want to see a fucking proper rundown, head to the fucking YouTube video.